In today's YouTube video, we are going to be reviewing one of the most aesthetic headsets I've ever seen in my life. It's the Logitech G345 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Headset. Hi everyone, it's Steph. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if it isn't your first time, then welcome back. Just a disclaimer, I am a Logitech affiliate, which means that this product was sent to me for free. I wasn't obligated to write a review about it or anything like that, but I decided to do it anyway because I really like the product. So first things first, let's look at the physical aspect of the product. In true Logitech fashion, we have a few colorways to choose from: black and neon yellow, blue and raspberry, and of course, my favorite, the off-white and lilac. When this product was first announced, you could tell they were going for a really fun vibe with all the advertising, so the colors you can choose from really try to inspire you to match something to your style. The headset itself only weighs 165 grams, which is the equivalent to 5.8 ounces, which is ridiculously light. You can honestly barely feel the headset when you have it on. It also says on the website that the headset is optimized for a wide range of players, but it's optimized for younger players and those with smaller heads. And I don't think I have a small head. I think I have an average size head. What's a small head? But you can see that it stretches out over my head a little bit. It kind of makes it look a bit squarish if I have a hat on or something. But if it's over my natural hair, it fits just fine. You can also adjust the cups, the length of the band on your head. Super easy. So there are 4 buttons on the left cup of the headphones: the power button, the volume up, the volume down, and also a mute button, so it provides easy access for any function you'd need. You can also double tap the mute button to activate side tone, which will let you hear your voice while communicating with other people, so you can adjust the volume of your voice when speaking with the headphones on. I'm personally not a fan of side tone, but you can adjust it too if that's kind of your thing. You can use this headset with, wait for it, PC, Mac, PlayStation, and any device with Bluetooth capability. So basically it means you can use it for everything. You can use it for games, you can use it for stream, you can use it for music while you're just walking about. I personally use the Logitech G345 headset for streaming, so that would be this one right here. It's a little bit sturdier and it has this comfort headband that I really love, and it's also purple. So instead I've been using the G345 on my daily walks while I've been listening to podcasts, and it's honestly been really great. Because they're so light, I can barely feel them compared to my AirPod. It's been really muggy in Sydney lately, so it has gotten kind of sweaty with the headset over my ears, but it's been a great way to kind of block out the environment while I'm listening to my podcast, and of course, safety first and everything. But it's honestly been really great. One day I forgot to grab my G345s before I headed out the door for my walk, and I grabbed my AirPods instead, and even though I turned up the volume on my podcast, I could barely hear it because of the wind, and because I live quite close to some main roads. I also live close to the airport, so all of those noises in my environment plus the podcast, I could actually barely hear it. So the G345s has actually been really great in that sense. And that's thanks to the sound isolating memory foam that's, built into the ear cups, because it absorbs all the sound around you. I also want to point out that this headset was made with sustainability in mind. The plastic parts are made with a minimum of 22% post-consumer recycled plastic. The paper packaging is also from FSC Certified Forests, which is a non-profit organization that promotes the responsible management of the world's forests. Also, Logitech finance certified carbon offsets for every product that's purchased to help offset and reduce the carbon impact of the product itself. Since this headset is wireless, you can charge it via the USB-C port on the headset, and it comes with a cable to connect to a USB-A port. But don't worry, there is an 18-hour playtime on these bad boys, so you don't even have to charge it that often. And of course, we can't forget about the microphone quality. So Logitech's website says that there is a built-in dual beamforming mic, which is meant to help reduce the background noise and to make sure you sound like you're in the same room as your friend. I personally do not know what built-in dual beamforming means, so forgive me. However, I did test the microphone quality as the caller and the receiver, and there were some interesting findings. When I called my boyfriend, he said that he could hear the clickings of my mouse while I was working at my desk. He could hear me typing this exact script for this video because he was telling me what he heard, so I was typing it out so I wouldn't forget, and he said that, whoa, that's really loud and it's really annoying. To be fair, I do have a mechanical keyboard, but normally it shouldn't be that bad. So funnily enough, I could also hear myself through his AirPods back into my headset. So I would say something, he wouldn't respond. It'd be like a second delay and I could hear my voice come back, a bit garbled, but it was there. So maybe just yet, like being on calls and communication, this headset isn't where it should be. I'm not sure what it is about the headset that is proven to not be the best for communication, but just to let you guys know. Now, this headset does retail at $199.95 Australian dollars, which is considerably a little bit more expensive than, say, your average Razer Kraken headset. However, I think you do need to remember that it is trying to be an all-in-one headset, so it's compatible with most gaming platforms and it's Bluetooth compatible, which makes it super versatile. So I love using these when I go for my daily walks because, like I said earlier, I live in a very noisy area. So sometimes AirPods just really don't cut it. Like one time I was walking last week and I felt like my AirPods were about to fly off my head because of how windy it was. So these over the ear headphones made it super easy. I just put them on and we just keep walking. Let me know what you think of the headset and if you'd like to see me review anything else on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'd love to see you guys all in my Twitch chat as well. I also stream Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday of each week. I also upload a weekly YouTube video to this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for when it goes live. Bye!